Hello, students. Welcome to our fun English podcast. Today we go shopping with your teacher. Shopping is a great way to practice English. You learn real words for daily life. I will be your English teacher today. We will visit different stores and practice. Are you ready to go shopping and learn English? Great. Let us start our trip. First, we make a shopping list together. Write down what you need to buy today. I need bread, milk, and apples, you say. Good. You are using simple English. Do you have money? I ask. Yes, I have $20, you answer clearly. Let us go to the supermarket first, I suggest. You nod and say, "Okay, teacher." We walk into the big supermarket together. Wow, this place is huge. You say, "Take a shopping cart, I tell you." You grab a cart and push it. Where do we find bread? You ask me. In the bakery section, I answer. You follow me through the store. We walk slowly and talk in English only. Look at all these fruits, I say. Which ones do you want to buy? I want red apples, you tell me. How much do they cost? You ask. $3 per pound, I read the sign. How many pounds do you want? 2 pounds, please, you say. We put apples in a bag and weigh them. We need milk now, I remind you. Where is the dairy section? You ask. Follow me, I say. We walk to the cold section with milk and cheese. What kind of milk do you drink? I ask. I drink low-fat milk, you answer. You pick up a carton of milk. This one looks good, you say happily. Excuse me, you say to a worker. Where can I find bread? You ask. In aisle 5, the worker says with a smile. Thank you very much, you reply. Good job asking for help, I tell you. Your English is getting better every day. We walk to aisle 5 together. You feel proud of asking in English successfully. This bread smells delicious, you say. Which kind should I choose? You ask me. Try this whole wheat bread, I suggest. It is healthy and tastes very good. You pick up the bread and read the price. $4, you say out loud. That is a fair price, I agree. You put the bread in your cart. Let me check our shopping list, you say. You look at your paper carefully. We have apples, milk, and bread, you count. Do we need anything else? You ask. How about some cheese? I suggest. Cheese goes well with bread for lunch today. Good idea, teacher, you say. Where do we find cheese in this big store? Time to pay, I say. We go to the checkout line with our cart. Did you find everything you needed? The cashier asks you in English kindly. Yes, thank you, you answer. The cashier scans your items one by one slowly. Your total is $15, she says. You give her a $20 bill. Here is your change, the cashier says. She gives you $5 back to you. Thank you, you say politely. Have a nice day, the cashier replies with smile. You take your receipt and shopping bags. I did it, you say excitedly to me. You spoke English the whole time. I praise you. I am very proud today. We walk home with our shopping bags. That was fun, you tell me happily. You learned many new words today, I say. Shopping, paying, asking for help, and more. I want to go shopping in English again, you say. It makes me confident. Practice makes perfect, I remind you. Keep using English every day in real life. What new words did you learn? I ask. You think for a moment quietly. Cashier, receipt, aisle, and dairy section, you list. Very good memory, I say proudly. Shopping in English is easier than I thought, you tell me with a smile. Real practice is the best way to learn, I agree. Books cannot teach everything. Shopping with your teacher helps you practice English in real-life situations every day. You learned how to ask questions, read prices, and talk to store workers today. Remember to use these words when you shop alone. Practice makes you better always. Thank you for shopping with me today. Keep practicing English everywhere you go. Good luck!